Okay, there we go, forward. It's nice and smooth, steering's tight. Let's see what we do here. Reverse, got a nice reverse beep, safety precaution beep. Handles well, and again, this is a brand new unit. Got some nice styling details. It's got a couple of pouches for valuables with keys, cup holders on both sides, windshield, plenty of storage, double windshield, canopy. All in all, a pretty nice unit. In here, you've got your charging cord, instruction manual, and in here, well, in here there's nothing, but yeah, in here nothing but place to store wallet or phone while you're playing the game. Anyway, very nice units. Call us with questions. Thanks so much.